How to fix connection or login error code 2100 in Marvel Rivals. Hello friends, follow the steps. Launch the Marvel Rivals game. Go to settings. Here is the settings cog. Click on this cog. Click on settings here. On this screen, click on other. For network diagnostics, click on run diagnostics. Again click on run diagnostics. Let the process complete. Here is showing fair connection. If the network is showing fair, then nothing to worry about. In case the diagnostic indicates poor connection, then repair your network. You can use Ethernet if you are currently using Wi-Fi and vice versa. You can also use another network options. In this case, click on the back button here. Again click on back. Now try to play the game. The game should run now. This was the trick that helps get rid of the error code 2100 on Marvel Rivals. If this doesn't work, you can follow the general troubleshooting methods to check if the issue is fixed. The first one is change DNS server IP address. Press Windows and D keys simultaneously on your keyboard to go to the desktop. Click on search. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on the result. Right click on the running adapter. The running adapter will show green signal mark. Right click on the adapter and select properties. On the Wi-Fi or LAN properties window, check the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click on properties. Check the option use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 8888. For alternate DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. Click on close. Close the network connection window and then try to play Marvel Rivals. If the issue still persists, verify the game file's integrity. Again press Windows and D keys on your keyboard simultaneously. Launch Steam. Go to Library. Right click on Marvel Rivals. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. All files are successfully validated. Close the window and now check if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.